So last time we have a window opening and closing instantly, so we need to kind of stop that, and the way we're going to do that is we are going to create a loop that runs kind of forever until we want to destroy our window. So that's I think first we want to have a function who's going to kind of, so the way I've understood it while I've been doing some reading is we want to we have a message queue and we want to get messages off that queue. Then we're going to go with peak message. I think that continuously deals with all the messages instead of having a queue, and then once there's no messages on the queue, I think the other message function will lock up our application, where this will just continuously poll, but we'll deal with the CPU usage of that later, I suppose. So let's see. I think as well I forgot to rename my function in my Win32 window proc. So let's just keep it all consistent. So this is going to be Win32. Get messages. Let's do the implementation here. I don't think it's going to need anything because I just want it to kind of control the looping of the messages. 132. Is that what I called it? Get messages. Yep. Okay. How do we want to do this? So we want to handle this message here. So we have a structure. That's not what I wanted to look at. Yeah, so we have a structure message which contains our coded message, and we want to extract that, right? So we're going to have a message structure, and we want to just continuously just peak message return. So yeah, so we can have this here. Peak message is using 8, so I'm going to go with the wide version. What does it need? So outputs. A pointer to a message. That's optional. I'm gonna just pass. I think 0s for these. And then this final remove message specifies how messages are to be handled. Or we want to remove them. Okay. So we're going to continue. We have the window open. We're going to keep picking messages from our message queue. And remove them once we've dealt with them, but we need to send them to our window procedure, right? If the function received the domain message return value is 0. So I think I want to. Okay. So I have message. So basically, right. So basically, passing our message structure to peak message, and saying fill out the structure with our message, with where the message is on the queue. I think we want to say kind of if our message is equal to this WN quit. Let's return a 0 from this function. So we're going to say we're ready to quit. And then I think these two translate it and dispatch it. So I guess if it doesn't want to quit, we're going to translate our message and dispatch it to the attached window procedure, I think. Let's see if we can compile it at least. Fine, compiles. So what happens if we add it into here? So we can say bin32 get message, right? Are we just gonna lock this up forever? Not all control paths return value. Oh. Right. Then I guess if we've returned maybe peak message will not go forever. Maybe then we have to pump the message, so we'll put it in our own queue maybe. Okay. That's can I just do that? Can I say, because it's going to return a 0 or 1, so I'd say, well, I don't really need to have to do anything here. I could just when did you get message identifier not found? Is that because get messages, isn't it? Get messages, yep. Okay, so now we have a window that is open forever. Hopefully, if I click X, it closes, because the X message is going to send this. Okay, but it doesn't actually close. Right, so it hasn't actually quit. the program is still running. So I'm going to have to close that myself. I don't remember what I called it. It's L, wasn't it? Let's see if I can find a way to kill it. Oh, did it even quit my whole thing? Right. Okay, so basically we open it and then it never closes. So that's not good. Right, so let's figure that out, shall we? So, okay. So to be fair, we haven't actually done anything on our window procedure, so maybe we should work out our window procedure and see if we can add anything to that that will help it. So maybe the default window procedure doesn't actually deal with the close button, which I would have thought it would have. Okay. Let's see if I can get anything in. Oh, looks like I'm getting internet issues.